Oh, there's an opening here. And I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. Oh, determined challenge there. The shot's on. Salah, great finish. Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much-deserved goal. And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Alonso, they've won the ball back again. He dribbles the ball forward. What a well-timed tackle. Passed inside. Not a good challenge. Oh, this could be costly. Now Wilson. Kepa picks up the ball. Launched upfield by the keeper. Oh, he must score, and he hits it, and they've equalised. And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Well taken by the goalkeeper. Oh, and dispossessed there. Oh, look at that showboating. Dominating the play now. Nifty bit of footwork there. Salah. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. Is this the moment? He shoots. What a finish. Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. We're into time added on now. Look at the confidence that's given him. And the team. Can they hold on to the lead? Well, great first half. Let's hope for more of the same. Here we go then for the second half. Another 45 minutes to enjoy. It's with the defender now. Oh, well timed. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Oh, there's an opening here. Shoots, and that is a fantastic goal. It's 3-1 now. This team look eager for more goals. It's looking likely they'll get a great chance here. He's knocked it long. Higuain. Oh, he did really well there. Striker's ball. Oh, he must score. Salah. Oh, good block there. Well, let's take another look at that. And that's into the box. The defender regains possession. And now they'll try and break. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Here's Bilia. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, well timed. The manager will be delighted with this performance. Well, can he get a shot in? The shot's on. His first goal for the club. What a moment. That's his first goal for the club. It's 4-1. What a well-timed tackle. He showed a bit too much to the Great scenes here as the referee draws his match to an end. They've won the Global Challenge Cup. And the moment's finally here as the manager and team rally together to lift the Global Challenge Cup